In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove blemishes in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up small imperfections in a photo using OpenArt's built-in tools quickly and cleanly. Start on the OpenArt homepage and head to the image section. This is where all the editing tools live, and it's the fastest way to get a picture ready for touch-ups. Once you're there, choose Edit Image to open the editor. This workspace is designed for simple, focused fixes like blemish removal, so it's perfect for what we need. Next, upload the photo you want to improve. You can drag and drop the file into the editor, or select it from your computer. After you've chosen your image, click Upload to confirm. Give it a moment to load. Once it appears on the canvas, you're ready to begin. Look at the toolbar across the top of the editor and click Remove. This activates OpenArt's Content-Aware Cleanup tool, which analyzes the surrounding pixels and blends them seamlessly to replace whatever you brush over. It's ideal for small skin marks, dust spots, or minor distractions. With the Remove tool active, left-click and hold on the area you want to fix. Think of this like painting over the blemish. Keep your strokes deliberate and short, especially around edges like lips, eyebrows, or hairlines. If the background has a simple texture, a single pass is often enough. For patterns or detailed areas, work slowly so the tool has good context to sample from. Use Quick Erase to brush across the blemish. As you brush, the tool will intelligently fill in the area to match the surrounding tone and texture. If the result looks a bit smudged, undo and try a smaller brush or adjust your stroke direction so you're sampling from cleaner nearby pixels. Multiple light passes usually look more natural than one heavy swipe. You can adjust the brush size using the slider below the canvas. A larger brush is great for soft, uniform skin areas, while a smaller brush gives precision around features and fine details. Aim for a brush that's just slightly larger than the spot you're removing. Zoom in for accuracy, then zoom back out to check the overall look. Repeat the same brushing process on any remaining marks until everything blends in naturally. That's all there is to it. Head to the Image section, open Edit Image, upload your photo, choose Remove, brush with Quick Erase, and fine-tune the brush size as you go. With a few careful strokes, your image will look clean, polished, and ready to share.